Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Last Forever dance that is now an emote in Fortnite, but it's a dance created by Ayo Teo. If you don't know who they are, go check out their stuff. I'll put the link in the description. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Offlin Taco, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. We're gonna start with the easy part, which is this part. Hey, 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 hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So let's just do the arms. The arms are saying both arms go up to your left side here, and you don't want them fully stretched, right? You want to keep them in here. Wait. So you want to do two of those to your left. A. Now you just want to do with your left arm to your right side. A. The right is just here. All right, so let's just do that. We're going to go both arms to your left, left arm to your right. Yeah, so 2 here, 2 here. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to try 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left and right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left and one arm. Here again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go both arms, one arm. So far so good, right? So right after both arms, one arm, your left here, then you want to take your right and go to your left, just one time. And then one last time with your left to your right. Alright, so it's gonna be 2 times to your left, 2 times to your right, and it's gonna be 1 time to your left, 1 time to your right. Alright, so it's 2 here, 2 here, 1, 1. Let's just try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 2 here, 2 here, 1, 1. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 2 here, 2 here. Now 1, 1. One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 2 here, 2 here, 1, 1. Okay, so once you can do the arms, you want to add the feet. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm just saying out, in. Yeah, so I'm up on my heels, flicking my toes out, in. And I'm just here from the side. I'm doing out, in. Alright? If up, down. So you want to do that every time you're doing something with your arms, right? So just like your arms are saying out, in, your legs are going to say out, in, right? So it's out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Just try that one last time with me. So with the feet, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And then at the end, we want to add this where we go, arms go like that. Yeah, so my right arm goes up, my left arm is in the back. All right. And then I want to put up my left leg here to the side. Yeah, so at the same time, I want to go, hey. All right. So the first part is going to go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and 8. So just try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 8. All right, moving on to the next section, which is this one. So right after we go wait, we're doing the wobbly, 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 kick, wobbly, wobbly. Now, let me explain. You want to do this wobbly move, whatever it's called, yeah? And the way to do that, you want to practice by doing this, yeah? Without lifting your foot here. And it's important that you lift up your heel, and then you just do like that, all right? So once you can do this, you want to practice lifting up 1 foot at a time. So I want to do in when I go outwards with my knees, I want to bring it up. And then when I go down, I want to bring it inwards, outwards, down, up, boom, 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 boom. Okay, I just brought out some chairs because if you're still struggling with this, you can use the chairs to lift up some of the weight, and then you can practice this slowly. So once you get down this move, then you can do, so from here, you want to bring this one down, and then you want to go right into this wobbly thing. Yeah, so inwards, 2, 3, and then from here, you want to kick your right to your left. Okay, so let's just try that. It's a bit hard to do this in slow-mo, so we're just gonna do this tempo, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 3, kick. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Wobbly, wobbly, 3, kick. So right after 1, 2, 3, kick, you wanna do 2 more. 1, 2, yeah, so from here, I just brought it down. 1, 2. All right, so let me just show you again. From here, we go 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2. So let's just try and practice that from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2. Now, if you want, you can do this wobbly it. You can add your flavor into it. So you can hey. All right, you can also do some arms if you want. Okay, so let's just practice one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2. Alright guys, moving on to the next section, let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So, right after wobbly, wobbly, boom, hey, boom, kick, kick. Now, let me explain. So, right after wobbly, wobbly, you're standing like this, and you want to take your left leg, left foot here, and go to the side. Yeah, so up on your heel, flicking your toes to the side here, and then you want to go back. Yeah, so open, close. Now you want to go up on your toes, and then you want to spin around like that. Yeah, so what I do is I go around here to my right side, to the front, back here, right? And I want to do it with my knees here, whoa. And my upper body kind of just follows along. Wait, let me just show you from the side as well, so you get another view. Whoa, right, so I did open, whoa. So right after whoa, you want to go right leg says open, and then you want to prep lift, and then you want to say kick to the front twice. All right, pretty simple. So open and kick, kick. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open and kick, kick. All right, let's just rewind here. Let me just explain from left, open, close, around, round, right, open, and kick, kick. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go left, close, way, now right, and kick, kick. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open, close, hey, now right, and kick, kick. All right, guys, moving on to the last section of the dance. So right after kick, kick, let me just show you. So the piece that we're about to learn goes, let me see, you want to run this way, this way, this way, this way. Then you want to do the bird. Hey, now let me explain. This one is actually a very hard move to do. So I'm just going to show you an easier version, and then I'm also going to explain how to do this one. All right? So let's start with a simple exercise, the easier version, which is having all of your weight on your right foot, you're up on your toes, and you want to bring your left back. All right? And you want to do the opposite. Now it's all your weight on your left, up on your toes, the right is back. Yeah, so you just want to switch doing whoom, and whoom, and whoom, whoom. Yeah, so as if you're running. You can include the arms, that'll make it a bit easier maybe. So you want to go whoom, and whoom. And notice how it's my opposite, so my right leg is going back, but my right arm is going to the front. Alright, so it's as if I'm running here. Whoom, 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 whoom. Alright, let's just try and practice that. 5. So we're gonna start with the right because we ended here. We want to do whoom. Let's start like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go run, 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 run. Yeah, it's a bit hard to practice slow, right? So let's just try it again a bit faster maybe. 5, 6. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go run, 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 run. Now, that was the easy version. If you're interested in the more difficult version, the original version, let me just explain here. So you still want to do this as if you're running, but the difference is you want to do this at the same time. You want to say close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Yeah, so when you run, it's going to be kick, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, close, open, close, open. So in case you didn't get what I meant by open and close, so if you look at my feet and my knees, I'm going inwards, outwards, yeah? So from here, I'm going inwards, outwards, inwards, outwards, inward, outwards, inward, outwards. Yeah, so wait. And again, it's much easier if you practice with these chairs when you have to do this slow mo. All right? Whoa, wait. Notice how my hips open to this side, the other side, boom. And then right after the running part is the bird part. So what I'm doing is now my right is in the back. I want to bring my right to the front, place it here on my toes, or if you have a really stiff shoe, you can do it like that. But mine is a bit too soft for that, so I'm just gonna do like this. And then you basically just lift off with your left here, around, stop. Now, when I do the spin, they don't actually go up like that. They just try to keep down here and then say spin, yeah? So notice how my right is still bent here. So I'm going bend, all right? So let me show it from the side as well. So you just run. Place your right foot, and then you want to go way, stop. All right, guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to the top. Let me just do a quick recap, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so recap from the tip to the top. I'm gonna go both arms, one arm, and one, up, wobbly, 2, 3. Kick, and 1, 2, left, close, way, and right, kick, now run, A, place your foot around, stop. And then if you want to repeat the dance, you can basically just, after you do the bird, just say jump, small jump before you start repeating. All right, now time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, up, ready for wobble. 1, 2, 3, kick, and out. 1, 2, left, open, close, around, round and right, boom, prep, kick, run. 1, 2, 3, 4, place it, and then spin you. Whoa. Let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 1, up, wobble, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, left, close, round, right, boom, prep, kick, run, place it, turn around. All right, guys, let's just try it one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. 1, 2, 1, up, 1, 2, 3, kick, and out. 1, 2, left, and around, right, prep, kick, run, place it, bird, stop. Alright guys, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Last Forever dance emote in Fortnite game, but originally from Ayo Teo's dance. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.